How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's video we're looking at XPEV. Very good day for this one, up $11, just shy of 34%. When I was going to plan on making this video, I was not, because I was going to report on the earnings for you guys, and I was not anticipating this to go up to $48.57. Back in my old video, I was talking about how I was telling my subscribers here, you guys, that this could be the next INO, and really, INO and XPEV right now are chasing up who can get to $50 first. VWAP is on our side right there at 42.43, and right now we're currently sitting at 43.73 with resistance at 47.23, and support, if it can hold it, 43.56, and then as well as a goal line 39.08 and 33.71. The earnings today was negative 32 cents. Yeah, I think, yeah. And if we take you back, okay, so, right, that's what I was thinking. This was their first earnings report. The ticker is a new ticker. And so this is kind of like a starting point. So next quarter, if they can be anywhere better than this, even negative 30 cents, the company is headed in the right direction, and therefore investors will know that this company will be profitable in the future. I just want to pull up NIO chart, just to show what I'm meaning. Their first quarter that they ever reported was, I guess we go to the 3-year chart here, was a positive 51 cents and then negative. And we finally hit the positive sector, and that's when really NIO, and obviously Tesla, but NIO is really leading these electric vehicles pump up right now. It is huge. Low of $9.19 last year around this time, and right now $49. So congratulations if you guys picked NIO up, and XPEV low of $17, high of 48. And yeah, so this is when was this released? Yeah, late August. I was actually not aware of this until a subscriber told me right there at the 27 mark. Is to take a look. And a really good shameless plug here to join the Patreon and join the private Discord. And if you guys don't want to join the Discord or the Patreon, there is a free Discord. I'm not that active in there. You don't get the alerts, but it's still a good trading community close enough that you can text and message other traders that are just around your area. Okay, so look at this. Once we broke out of that 39.39 level, there was really no turning back. Now, with this being a fairly new ticker, like I've been mentioning, there is little support and little resistance. Little resistance is good. Little support, not the best thing you want for a long-term company here. With that being said, we could see it easily push back down to $39 tomorrow or next week. We could see it ride out right here, cruise a little bit, and then push back up to $50. But the same thing with this right here. We had multiple days of support, but in the end, it held above that $29.75, but just by 60 cents, 80 cents, and we pushed up. Very, very good. Today's volume was the highest volume ever for XPEV, 167 million shares. And for an almost $50 company, that is very, very good. A lot of eyes on it. A lot of people are trying to buy this. VWAP, like I said, is on our side right there, almost at $2. And so yesterday's volume was green. And before that, it was all red, but still, making new highs in their own respect. This company has really, really taken off. We'll go and take a look at the news now. Was featured in a lot of articles today. Right here, see, many people are comparing NIO and XPEV. I actually don't know. Well, obviously, the chart is very, very similar. And even last week, in the beginning of this week, they were almost mimicking each other. Like I said in my last post on StockTwits, that XPEV was like the little brother of NIO. And now we'll see if XPEV is actually the older brother, if you guys catch that metaphor there. Okay, so it's China XPEV reports mixed gross margin turns positive. So Actually, yeah, negative 18 cents. Sales were 293 million, beat the 286 million estimate. So I think that's why it went up for the most part, and then the overall positive electric vehicle announcement that's been going on for a couple weeks now. That the company made this much money, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I never heard of this company. I never heard of INO. I only heard of Tesla and Nikola for electric vehicles. I didn't even hear of Solo, and Solo's really good right now, popping off. There's so many car companies right now, electric car companies that are making new highs and just really exposing themselves to the world. I was telling my brother about this, that this is kind of like, or he's been telling me actually, that this is kind of like investing in um, like the .com stocks back at the turn of the century. Obviously, I wasn't there around for that trading, but so this is a very cool opportunity for beginner traders and young traders that are just getting into the market, and for anybody that just get in the market to invest in these electric vehicle sector that really is the future. We'll take a look at Solo again. That this chart is also pushing up, and Nikola has been actually going down because of their earnings. I was actually really surprised about this one. And same thing with Tesla. You guys had the problem, but it's been pretty stagnant recently. So a lot of people that traded Tesla in the past, when it went to 2000 before the 5-to-1 split, they're trading NIO and they're trading XPEV. But I do want to share with you SPCE and the almost similar chart. I take a look at right here. Low of $6. It pumped up very good to $42 based on speculation. So that's where space, I call it space, differs from NIO, that this was all in speculation of them going to the moon. That's what the company does. But NIO has its sales. They have their, okay, we're a company, we're top 7. They beat GM. A couple of my subscribers were teasing me saying that it's not that hard to beat GM, but GM's been a company for over 100 years, if I'm not mistaken, or just close to it, and they sell millions of cars every year. But the electric vehicle sector are the future, you like it or not. By at least, no matter who you like, president wise and what their policies are, 2040 is at most when you're going to see more electric vehicles than um, gas vehicles. And with GM announcing their Hummer all electric Hummer, that's not coming out till 2021. And for you go to that's for special orders, and to go to a dealership and pick one out, that'd be 2022. And here Tesla NIO, and if I'm not mistaken XPEV. I'm not really 100% into this company. I traded it, but I haven't done my research into it. That you just go in the lot, pick one out, and boom, you drive away with it. Not just put your pre-orders in. And also the Hummer here, I'm rambling on, guys. We gotta cut the video here, but the Hummer is like $100,000 base model, and the Tesla is 36,000 base model. And please, guys, leave comments down below anything to do with XPEV or even NIO. I don't know what their base model is. If I can find it, I'll put it in the description or the comment section down below. But that, guys, sorry for rambling on, but I really want to give it out to my followers here. XPEV. I expect great things to happen in this ticker, even if it pulls back down to $30, $35, $40 flat. This company is going to be in the future. It could even be bought out, or it could be buying out other companies. Stay tuned for this one. I would like it to stay above that $40 though. Realistically, I would like to stay above 41, but we always see a pullback. Respect the pullback, respect the trend. It's going to be future, like it or not. You may lose money now. Just pick it up in a year or two in this company. My PT, $60, and maybe in a couple of years, if you start seeing XPENG vehicles be driving around the United States, we'll just have to see. I'm very excited for the future. So much volume on this one. Like I said, I would like to say about $40, 35, and I really don't want to see it pass down below 30, but I don't think we'll get there. There's a first earnings report. I just can't wait to see next earnings when they start selling more cars. Alright, guys, XPEV, thank you so much for watching. Again, sorry for rambling on here, but I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.